What's up, you guys? This is Mike from MikeMoneyTips.com. Coming at you today with a quick little video. Show you how you can make $10 over and over for 15-20 minutes worth of work. I'll show you the websites to go to make it happen, and I'll even explain to you how to do the work on the websites. Here again, you'll be trading time for money. If you want something a little bit more passive, check out the first link in my description. It'll take you to what I do to make most of my money online. But without further ado, let's get started. First website we're going to go to is trymyui.com. What you're doing, you're testing out websites, store blogs, concepts. You get paid to test out the websites. You set up a test. You pick your target user and watch the video. What you do, you sit there and you watch the video and you tell them what you thought about it. You record your voice, or sometimes they have you record yourself too as you're doing the test. You can do all sorts of tests. You can try it out for free, which of course to do our part of it, you don't have to pay anything. You have to pay to get it to test. You get paid to test. Right here it says it. Clicked on it. Let's wait for it to load. You sign up. What did usability test consist of? Video featuring your screen voice that you use the website or app. Written response to a short wrap-up survey. How many tests? There's no limit to the test. As you see, I am. You'll be paid through PayPal, which if you're not from the US, I'm sorry that you can't. Matter of fact, let's log in right quick. Show you. Okay, reCAPTCHA failed. Hold on, I don't know what's going on here, people. But anyway, I'm not gonna worry about it. Yeah, obviously. But anyway, let's go to log in, and I'll show you. Right there it said it is 10 minutes, $10 forever. There you go. Non-disclosure agreement. Of course, you click I agree and continue. Guidelines for testing. Web designers want to know whether it's good, what makes a good test. Read all instructions out loud, kind of like I am right now. Of course, I understand. Put yourself in the right frame of mind. Every test will begin with a frame of mind you should adopt. For example, maybe the frame of mind is what you're planning for a wedding. Put yourself in a situation and imagine that's what you're thinking about. Indoors, outdoors. Do you have a date in mind? How many to invite? All that stuff. So, okay, we understand that. Perform all tasks in the order. You must attempt all the tasks in the test before submitting it. Do not just jump ahead, perform each task. Take, kind of like I am right now. And you hit continue. But as you see, this is the way all this works. Okay, as time progresses, they will send you more and more orders that you are a part of. The other one, or another one, is userfeel.com. This one I personally have never used, but I've heard a lot of good things. Basically, it's the same thing. You're going to run tests of other people's websites. This is basically what you do here is usability test on websites, mobile apps, all that good stuff, just like anything else. Close this. As you see, they use TripAdvisor, Office Depot, Four Seasons, 99 Designs, Lowe's. A lot of people, a lot of big names use this one. It's a multilingual user tool. Um, you can test on any device with this one. You can use mobile, iPad, iPhone, Android, whatever you have. It's fast. Get results in less than 24 hours. Reporting, easy reporting, highlight videos, teamwork. What do you get? Of course, you can get it in 40 different languages on any devices. But there again, this one only pays out in PayPal as well, which, if I believe, is right. Here, let's go to become a tester. Here you can do the A/B test, split test. That way you can find out whether something's working better than something else. Yeah, here you get $10 per test. Each test generally lasts 10 to 20 minutes, and it's completed with your home computer or smartphone. Read the following instructions, watch the example, kind of like the other one. What do usability testers do? Contact usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine given scenario, certain task, just like the other one. All these are pretty much the same. I'm just giving you some other, another website to use, because you may not get one on all the websites every day. So if one slows down, go to another one. Here it says you need Windows 7 or newer. Your computer also needs to have a microphone, either internal, like most laptops have, or external. If you need to buy an external microphone, even the cheapest ones selling for around $2 will work. Should I use my real name and address when conducting the test? No. You should use a fake one. That's a good thing to know. What qualification test? Qualification test, initial use test, new user needs to take in order to verify that they have a microphone and they can speak through their thoughts, completing tasks based on qualifications. You see here, okay. So this one is $10 per test, $10 to $20. Or 10, 20 minutes, I'm sorry. So you can do 3 of these an hour if they send that many to you. Another one is utest.com. And if I remember right, I'll leave a link for each one of these down in the description. That way all you got to do is go down and click on them and go. Now, of course, because I'm sitting here doing all this, it's going to be slow. This here is the same thing as all the other ones. Now my computer don't want to work right. We'll go here in a second, because I need to scroll down here so I can show y'all what's going on. There we go. Okay. As you can see here, they have a community type deal to where you can see what other people have done, and you can actually see what's going on this one. That's the cool thing about UTest. It's a really cool platform for that reason. There again, whenever they have tests for you, they will, send them to you. There again, you can sign up for free. Um, but here again, generally it's $10 to $20. Um, Project boards. Let's go over here. Looking to join, looking for testers to join our accessibility worldwide. All these are projects going on. Rideshare drivers, GraphQL. I don't have a clue what that is. Smart Kicker device. Carlson. Here again, this is just another place for you to make more money. This one right here is Enroll app. ENROOL. Enroll. Here you can sign up for free. Take tests. You can take it on any device, phones, tablets, desktops, whatever you prefer. Earn rewards, collect badges. Show off to your friend, get compensated for each test conveniently through PayPal. They've had 358,000 tests already completed. Of course, enroll me. And you know, if you enroll, it's gonna give you this right here. Read terms, outline. There again, you're going to do the same thing as you've done every other time. You're going to take tests, and they're going to pay you roughly $10 a test. And unfortunately, it is through PayPal. If you can't get anything else, you know, I'm sorry. If you're in another part of the world, I know PayPal is generally in the U.S., but there's nothing more we can do about that. I do apologize. Let's face it, I am in the U.S., and that's basically what I got. This is another one you got. You got user testing. Here again, just like all the other ones, you watch a video or go to a website and you basically speak your thoughts out loud about what you think. Maybe you don't like this purple and you like this blue better, or you'd like the infographic here, but there's just something about it you don't like, and you let them know what it is. Engage and empathize, discover insights, sharing. This is what they're all about. Scale across all terms. Let's see here. Get paid to test. Click on it and show you what it is. It may make me log in, I don't know. We'll find out. I know with this one you can earn up to $60 per test on this one. Visit the website or app, complete tasks. Just as always, speak out loud, get paid. How it works: $10 for every 20 minutes of video you complete user testing. Pays you to visit websites, apps, complete tests, set tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud. Yes, I know you use cookies. For apps, you can earn extra cash. Lifehacker, Wall Street Journal, Huffington Post, New York Times, Apple, Microsoft, Twitter, eBay, Wikipedia. As you can see, this is a very legit site, people. It's how much can you make? Well, user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the site. It won't make you rich. The number of opportunities you receive depending on the number of factors such as demographic and qualifying rating. There again, it's like I said, if you want more money than what this is paying, check out the first link in the description. It's great passive income. How do you get paid? 7 days after completing the test, you'll get paid via PayPal. They're accepting testers from the following companies: Africa, Middle East, as you can see here. But you have to have PayPal in order to get paid, which there is ways around that. But anyway, this has been Mike with Mike'sMoneyTips.com. There again, if y'all want something that pays more than $10 or so, maybe $60 an hour, check out the first link in the description, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Appreciate it.